do this together, man. You know it's love together.
Things will change.
No matter what. Mdane gazi musulahle themba. Situations ain't good kodwa bekezela. Kunqabe nento kutya kude khala uthemba. Izilingo zalomhlaba simele ukhalimela. Do the same xa ubona izinto zakujikela. Nile praying ngoba ubona ukuthi uyadideka. Kumele uzazi mfoqiniseka. Njengabanye ufuna impumelelo sityhafela. Akho apho ngithatha khona kwaye ngikwazi unikezela. Impilo indiva amandla kumele ndizibuyisele. Izidakamisa zakhe zichithile imizi. Nyamezela nje yami, you will thank me in the end. Okwahleleyo sekwahlile. Akunceda ubuye ngamva, we ain't going back. Talk to your God ukuze akhanyisele. We live and die here, you know the rest. Asinyamezela. I seen it all, did it all, even more. Zange ngibona impilo kaso kodwa kuzolunga. Another day will come. Yeah. Things change, seen it all, did it all, even more. Zange ngibona impilo kaso kodwa kuzolunga. Another day will come. Yeah, yeah, things change.
Zinto sezokhanya ngiphethe umdala. Noba sebathini sana kufana. Uphatha ugcwala. Excess zinto sezojika kula malanga. Zinto sezokhanya ngiphethe umdala. Noba sebathini sana kufana.
Sityala lembewu ekhanyayo kulomlambo singabanana bomkhatho oqamatha. Instill peace belolunye kulisapha cause you're all that we got. Lo mhlaba awudlali, will take anyone anything ngoba ixesha likhathali. I thought about staying away, take this talent and waste it. Telling sense and free, haven't seen it in paycheck, being talking with a stick. It told me 7 the same feel, probably for media crisis, hence the pledge in the stay still. Yeah, kunzima uthethe and just get to where the problem is. Felt the tension as I entered, nobody's at ease. Intiyo nenzondo zonke sibhale emehlweni. Dog, besele sapho now siqhubela nekufeni and everybody beefing. Do you call it going insane? Umhlalo uqule emaweni and I don't know what to believe in. Yeah, xa sithi somsolo umnaba nikhupele emdleni through all that. Dingeka mbami bro, umntana mophupha. Ngisafa ngaphakathi minqono nje mbona sakhula. Kushuma amathamba lelo kuthula as a psalm in the spirit. Within us we possess a connection that has no limits. Samakusha cause he appeared to the world that we live in. My blessings and kisses, I'm getting way less than I'm giving. It's customer care like a worker receiving. Be lying out here if I say I don't miss him. Hence, sityala lembewu ekhanyayo kulomlambo singabanana bomkhatho oqamatha. Instill peace belolunye kulisapha cause you're all that we got. Lo mhlaba awudlali, would take anyone anything ngoba ixesha likhathali. To the mother of my baby, I'm sorry I blamed you. Drowning the oceans of emotions, felt like I was tamed too. We were both robbing opportunity, yobanga babazali. Felt like it hit harder on me ngoba indoda ayikhali. But it's okay, it's alright. Even though it's not care, nah. Shana no, nah.